Alright, we're on the job once again with the Dupray Neat Steamer. And I'm going to show you what we're doing today. We're not cleaning this hallway carpet because they're going to yank that. But we have one small room here. That's basically in really good condition. It needs stretched, but we don't do that. And then we have one more room that's a little bit larger. And the carpets don't look too bad. There's one spot there in the closet that nobody knows what that is that we've already pre-treated. So we're just waiting for the steamer to heat up, and then we're going to start cleaning carpets with it. So stay tuned. Okay, the steamer's heated up. We're getting ready to start. We're fighting with the door here, so bear with us a little bit. He's priming the pad.
Ooh, wait, that's hot.
Once again, the Dupray Neat is rated at 275 degrees at 50 psi. And when you're using a floor tool and you have a pad or a towel on the bottom, it helps keep the heat in and actually keeps your temperatures up and helps so you don't have to worry about running out of steam and stopping to let it pressurize. It basically maintains a good pressure for you to work with. So we occasionally do stop and let the light turn green again. The little light on the front when it's amber, it just means that your boiler's heating up. And once you've hit the full pressure and temperature and the light turns green, as soon as you squeeze the trigger pretty quickly, the light's going to turn amber again, and that doesn't mean you have to stop. That just means, that's just telling you that the burner's actually heating up water. So now we have a playlist on our channel. We have a lot of videos showing the neat cleaning carpets, and it's been doing really good. We've been using it for about 3.5 months now, pretty consistently, and it does a good job.
Does a real good job.
Yeah.
We're real satisfied with it.
Well, Chad's trying to grab the hose. Once again, for those who don't know, you do not pull these things around by their hose because it's bad for the, not just the hose itself, there's electrical connections and everything that are inside of there, so you want to make sure you move the unit by hand and don't use the hose to pull it around. This corner. All right. Seems to be going smooth.
Smooth as silk.
Now we do put a pre-spray down because that's part of what we charge customers for. You don't have to use a pre-spray in most cases. You
Not
can just,
here on a home.
yeah, you can just steam your carpets and you don't have to put any pre-spray down. But we do use one, and it does help on some things like that stain over there since it's pre-treated. It'll make it so you can maybe get it out faster with the steam. If it comes out, you can get it out faster.
Yeah, we don't know if we're getting that out or not. We don't know what it
Yeah,
is.
some things are permanent and you can't do anything
try.
with them. Depending on what that stain is, and depending on if anyone's ever tried to treat it with some Resolve carpet cleaner or something like that, it could be permanently in there. You never know.
But as you can see, it's not real hard work. It just, the steamer does everything. You just glide the wand around.
Now carpets like this, since this is a super low nap, almost a commercial type of carpet, you got to be careful when you're doing it cleaning that you maintain a pattern, because you can get lost in the carpet, not be able to see where you have been or where you haven't been, and then you can end up missing a spot or going over a spot twice, which is kind of a waste of your efforts. So you always want to follow like a grid pattern or whatever it is you need to do.
Well, I always look for little landmarks, like wall plugs, that kind of thing.
Move over a little.
And you don't do much. You just glide around, and the steam does all the work.
Yep.
You just move it around where it needs to go, and it'll do everything for you.
Every once in a while, you see something pop up. The steam has just enough pressure to it that it's going to reach the base of the carpet, and you're going to loosen embedded debris that a lot of times vacuum cleaners don't pick up everything because there's stuff that's in there too much. It's just embedded, and the vacuum cleaner doesn't really pull it out. So this helps loosen embedded debris. Does a good job. And since you're using a pad, anything, all the dirt and everything that you bust loose with the steam is basically getting grabbed by the pad. It's not so much that it absorbs it. It's a damp, hot surface, and so the stuff wants to stick to it. So since it's not really absorbing in a like a bonnet for a bonnet cleaning machine.
Put it down right here. Here's your line of clean and not clean. If you can see, I don't know if the video will show that, but I can see it plain as day.
Watch out that door.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to let it heat up for a minute, whatever, 30, 40 seconds, and then we're going to finish the room.
There's the little amber light on the front. I hope you can see, and it turns green when it's at full pressure.
Which will be about 30, 35, 40 seconds. Sometimes faster.
Maybe even faster. Yeah.
If you steam for a long, long time, it might even take up to a minute, but that's fast just to wait for an amber light.
Yeah, I'm sure your steam, your temperature and your pressure gradually get lower
There it is
and
already.
lower. Yeah, it's green. They probably do get gradually lower and lower and lower. With a closed, with a tool that closes off the steam and traps it like this pad does, that may take a lot longer to do than if you're using if you're using the jet nozzle. Then you're going to lose your pressure and your temperature a lot faster. So you will probably have to wait and let it cycle on things like that.
Now, when he says it gets lower and lower, we've never had it get lower. It just quits producing steam.
No, you can run the thing
It's not
wide
gonna
open
get
for
that low.
yeah. You can run the thing wide open for as long as you really want to, and it keeps going.
It does. It does a great job.
Don't forget to kick out.
I know everybody wants to see the big stain, and we're working our way into it. I don't know if it's going to come out or not. It probably will, but you don't get out everything.
Getting some allergies today.
It's hot out. It's Central Texas.
Central Texas, and everything's starting to bloom. You see we got a field back there, so this is a place for people with allergies for sure. They'll love it. There it goes. This is really a very simple method for cleaning carpets.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cut and dry.
As far as you don't really have to. Like we got a lot of Auric Orbiter videos on the channel. You can see over there you've got to attach a pad. You've got to clean the pad when you're done. You may have to switch it, rotate it, replace it. There's all sorts of things, and then get into the hang of the machine. It'll take you a little bit of time because it may feel a little awkward at first. But steam is a really simple way to clean your carpets, and they dry very, very fast. So a lot of times, depending on your conditions, a lot of times the carpets can be dry in a room before you even finish the room. The part you started at's already dry. So
now this stain, whatever it is, it's not going to come all the way out.
no, we've lightened some. It responded to ammonia initially, which
I'll tell you why. Because someone got something in there that's
no, I can go get some straight ammonia if you want to try that.
well, no, it won't help. I'll put ammonia up. Someone put something in there that changed the carpet color.
Yeah. We did some ammonia, and it did lighten it some, and we put some peroxide on, which didn't seem to do anything.
Did you put peroxide?
Yeah, so it's not organic.
Those are your two big stain removers.
Keep going. It looks like it may lighten a little bit more.
Yeah, but when you take off of it, we'll see if it comes back in 20 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever.
Now this, the steamer will take out like gum that's embedded in the carpet. It will break it. It will break it down.
Gum, candle wax, red stains.
Yeah.
Practically everything. The only thing we ever have trouble with, and you can't clean it with nothing, is mustard. Don't never let no one get no mustard in your carpet.
Oh, and slime. If some kids spilt slime all over the carpet, you're not getting that out with steam.
No, you're not. I'm giving up on it because it is what it is.
Okay, I'm going to pause because we're going to switch rooms. So stay tuned. Alright, we're going to do the second bedroom real quick. unfortunately on carpets you can't iron out wrinkles. The carpet needs to be stretched, but so we're not going to do anything with that, just using steam. Don't forget behind the door. It's a small room, so you can see, I'll let you look out the window there. This is just basically a big trailer park community where they rent trailers out. So that's where we're at today. Alright, I'll put a link in the video description for this Dupray Neat. It's an Amazon exclusive basically, but I think like Walmart.com, places like that may be selling it now, but the best price you can get is going to be on Amazon. But I'll put a direct link there so you can go check it out. And I'll put a link there. I'll try to remember to put a link in for the playlist of the other Dupray Neat videos we've done so you can find them all easier. And I'll put a link for our Amazon storefront that we have, and we saw other steamers there, but we also saw lots of other cleaning equipment. If you want to, it's mostly carpet cleaning stuff, but there's other stuff as well. You go check out, and I'll put the links down there for you. One nice thing about using steam when you clean a carpet like this is it does fluff up the carpet fibers, and so it restores the nap of the carpet, and it dries quickly, and so it makes your carpets fluffier and softer.
It causes no damage whatsoever.
Yeah, it's a pretty safe. You're not really having any what do you call it?
Tip bloom?
No, well, yeah, tip bloom, but that's caused by abrasion. It's caused by you're not really having to agitate the carpet as much with steam as you would, like say, bonnet cleaning or other methods.
Well, the thing with this is it gets so hot that normally what you'd agitate out just comes out because it just gets all that deep down dirt. The steam shoots down to the bottom of the carpet and just lifts everything as it comes back up towards the pad underneath the plate, the steam plate. It's kind of weird how it works, but it works.
Oh, and you can see way out there, maybe it was coming in. That's the little smart car we're using to get around today. And so,
yeah, we weren't joking around. We get around and do carpet cleaning with a smart car. It's all you have to have.
Yeah.
If you're doing low moisture.
We've got a bigger car available for jobs where we need to take a lot of equipment with us, but most of the time we're fine.
We seldom need a big car.
Yeah, we can actually fit. We don't have the Orcorbiter with us today, but we actually could fit it and the steamer in the car.
Yeah, we're just doing everything steam today. No.
But if you're wanting to get into a little business and you don't have a van or something like that, and you want to start doing a little bit of carpets, something like that, you can do it with the type of equipment that we're showing.
And a car that's small.
Yeah, you don't need a huge
It
car.
don't take a big old
They don't get much smaller than that.
3/4 ton van or any of that kind of nonsense.
So we're done here?
We're done.
Okay. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, thanks for watching.